Coccinia chutney. In Malayalam we call it as kovakya, and in Kannada we call it as manoli. So let us see what all ingredients is needed for the preparation of Coccinia chutney. See, I have taken half coconut scraped, little jaggery, little turmeric powder, 2 green chilli, 2 red chilli, little asafoetida, and 2 spoon Bengal gram, salt to taste, and 1 piece of. Now my pan is preheated. First I have squeezed the tamarind. Now I am just pouring this tamarind water towards it. Next I am adding this turmeric powder. Next adding this jaggery. Now the next item is green chilli, red chilli, Bengal gram, salt, asafoetida, coconut scrape, Coccinia. We'll add little water. Now we'll wait for another 15 minutes. Yes, now everything has been cooked properly. Now we'll just wait for another 5 minutes so that this water portion gets dried up. Yes, now it's ready. Now we'll just switch off the gas and wait for cooling it and grind it in a mixie. This can be taken along with rice or dosa also. Usually we prepare at home for rice as a second course. So hope everybody enjoyed this particular video. So nice to be with you. Thank you.